Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this Thor 1 ounce silver coin. We are live. 716. 716. We got the list here. We got 5 entries. We got Steve on the top, Ed on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We'll do it. We got 8 times. 716. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. We got Greg on the top. Why does it do that? We got Greg on the top. You must go 8. Good luck at 717. 717. Pass the final roll. Top spot gets this Thor 1 ounce silver coin. Congratulations goes to spot 5, Ed. Congratulations, Ed. Send me a PM. I'll get this coin out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 717. 717. Congratulations, Ed. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good night.